we are ready to go to our first camp out here, and there's Steve.
This is the Copeland Lower Falls.
The Upper Copeland Falls.
Might have to just settle for one right now, just in case. Pretty good shot from here.
So this is Ouzel Lake. We're gonna probably hike down to there on the way out. What are y'all looking at?
Nothing, it sucks.
Nothing to see here.
What are y'all looking at?
Turn the camera off.
Oh my God.
We got duck. Dave, duck. That's that part. I just want really a picture.
I usually find if you go more than 3 shots, that usually...
It's got everything in it.
Cool. So we can't...
That just a little bit.
I think that was just coincidence that I was picking on it at the same time, but that shows you how unstable it is.
Uh-huh.
That was a big old piece of snow.
See that, that big one, right?
Yeah. Oh, it's slippery.
Snow
So this is our happy camp at North St. Vrain. It's Sunday evening.
I'm so happy about it, Dave.
Well, I'm gonna eat in a minute.
The dashed cayenne pepper. Ooh!
So here's Rick with his chair
I want to try some of that.
at the happy camp. And here's Stephanie at our happy camp. What did you think of our hike today?
I thought it was worth it.
What do you think of the Rocky Mountains?
I'm overwhelmed. It's absolutely amazing. It takes my breath away. I think I've cried like 3 times.